This is the Edge page. It's where the platform tells you who you are as a trader, what your actual edge is, where your discipline is breaking down, and what patterns in your behavior are costing you money. The header shows what you're working with. 8 patterns detected, 3 active rules, 6% discipline score. The date filters let you change the window. 30 days, 90 days, year to date, all time or custom. The entire page recalculates when you switch. At the top, lifetime. This is how the platform describes your evolution as a trader across your entire history. The drifting badge is the AI's assessment of your current state. The narrative underneath is the diagnosis. It's telling you the edge exists in the data, but recent execution is not delivering it. 2 panels side by side. What's working identifies the specific edge confirmed in the period. Here it's a TLBA setup with a time edge at 10 to 10:45, generating $621. It also names the most broken rule. Enforce the trade limit rule and check the ribbon in a week. 8 patterns detected in this period, broken down into risk, timing, setup, behavior, and identity. On the right, discipline is 6% held. That means out of all the rules set, only 6% of sessions ran clean. 0 rules are above a 90% compliance. 3 rules are below 75%. 361 violations in the window. The pattern library organizes those 8 patterns into categories. Click any category to expand it. Risk patterns map to position management failures. Timing patterns to when you trade. Setup patterns to what you trade. Behavior patterns to how you respond to losses and wins. Identity patterns to the consistent traits showing up across your sessions. The ones that define how you actually trade regardless of your intentions. Decision cost shows the aggregate cost of in-trade decisions over the period. What was left on the table across 79 trades and 12 active days. Next to it, contributors and detractors show which specific time and setup combinations are generating returns and which ones are draining them. TLBA at 11 a.m. Monday is a contributor. Untagged trades on Monday and Tuesday are the top 2 detractors. The P&L Waterfall breaks down every closed trade in the window by behavior bucket. Edge trades are the positive bar, the trades that matched the defined setup and produced profit. Discipline trades are the ones taken inside the rules. Untagged trades are the negative bar, the drag. The chart makes it visual. Remove the untagged trades and the net result changes materially. The decision quadrant plots every setup on 2 axes, trade volume and win rate. The 4 quadrants tell you what to do with each one. Top right is your engine, high win rate, high volume, protect it. Top left is hidden edge, high win rate, but low volume, trade it more. Bottom left is weak signal, low on both, let it go. Bottom right is a leak, high volume but low win rate, cut it back. Each bubble's size shows the absolute P&L impact. The discipline ribbon shows 1 square per session over the last 30 days. Green is a clean session, no rules broken. Amber is 1 break, red is 2 or more. Click any square to filter the violation timeline to that specific session. This one shows 35 clean days, 23 multi-break sessions, and a current clean streak of 10 days. The compliance score is 6%. The Action Center is where the AI drafts rules based on what it found in your patterns. These are not generic suggestions. They're built from your specific trade data. Each card shows the pattern, the time window, the instrument, the net impact per 30 days, and a confidence rating. You can accept it. It gets added to your active rules immediately. Modify it, adjust the parameters before saving. Or dismiss it if the context doesn't apply. Your active rules shows every rule you've accepted or created manually. Each rule card shows the rule name, category, whether it's active or paused, and a 30-day compliance bar. Green tiles for clean sessions, red for violations. Edit, pause, or delete from the card. To add a rule manually, click the Add Rule button in the top right. Assign it a category, and save. It activates immediately and starts tracking compliance from that session forward. The violation timeline below will log every breach going forward, timestamped to the exact trade. The violation timeline is every rule breach in the windows in chronological order. Each entry shows the time, the rule that was broken, and the severity on high, medium, or low. Click View Trade on any violation to jump directly to that trade in the journal. This is where the ribbon's red squares become specific. You can see exactly which session, which rule, and which trade triggered each one. That's the Edge page.